What's up guys, so the most requested battery drain test is finally here as I have got iPhone 6s, iPhone 7, 8, iPhone 6s Plus, 7 Plus, 8 Plus and iPhone 10. As in this test we are going to find out the battery timing of these devices in 2022. This video is definitely gonna help you if you are thinking to buy any of them. Before starting the test, this video is sponsored by PLEXTONE. G800 Mark II is a gaming headset which is the most lightweight headset I have ever seen. It has got all basic features like microphone button and volume rack for the audio, and it's pretty much soft and comfortable. You can easily connect it to your smartphone, PC, PS4 and Xbox. The sound quality is really good. I will definitely recommend it for gamers because it's very affordable, and because of its matte design it doesn't look like a cheap headset, as well as by using the coupon code you can avail a huge discount. So I think this is a great opportunity for every gamer if they are looking for a best headset. So I'm mentioning all the links in the description right below. If you are interested, do visit their website and buy this amazing product at very reasonable price. Now let's get back to work. All of them are running on their latest update. The brightness is also set to 90%. And if we talk about the battery health, so I have mentioned them over the smartphone, but let me just confirm them as you guys can see here. Okay, so now I'm gonna use TikTok application for the next 1 hour and I will show you how much battery they have drained by using 1 hour of TikTok application. After using TikTok for 1 hour, next I will be playing PUBG game and then some other applications. So let's find out the real battery timing of these smartphones in 2022.
wax feels heavy on your chest. I wish I could carry the weight all on my back. Colors now faded. There's only so much.
Welcome back. So it was the battery life drain test from iPhone 6s to the iPhone X, and everything is in front of you. If you guys are thinking to buy any of them, then at least you should go for iPhone 8 Plus, because iPhone 6 series are not gonna get iOS 16 update, and iPhone 7 series battery timing and performance is not that good for heavy games, so I will not recommend these two series in 2022. Other than that, iPhone 8 series is still worth buying because you can play PUBG game on extreme plus smooth graphics, and you will be able to get iOS updates till iOS 17. Now I hope this video would be very helpful for those who can't afford the expensive smartphones and still looking to buy these iPhone models. Okay, so let me know your thoughts in the comment section right below. Also don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching my videos, and I will see you in the next one.